welcome back to another exciting episode of TabletGuy, and today we have a brand new review of one of the best looking smartwatch that I've ever seen, the DT79. I also like the features, but the best part of this watch is its awesome price. It is just $59, but before you can buy, let's check whether it's really worth the value or just an ugly dent in the pocket. So let's dig into it and see whether the watch is worth the price or not. First, we have the design. This smartwatch has a professional look, beautiful zinc alloy body with two physical buttons on the side. It has a simple design bezel with second markings on the bezel. Second is the interchangeable straps. The cost of the interchangeable straps are between $3 to $10. Good value from the straps in the market. The smartwatch has a default durable sporty silicone strap, but the watch is also available in classy premium leather strap. Then we have the IP67 feature. The watch is water resistant, so splashes or dipping into 1 meter water once in a while will not break it. So that's a good thing to have. Now we have the display. There's also a good improvement on the screen display. The 1.3-inch IPS LCD screen provides sharp, crystal clear viewing using Super Retina technology. The screen has a resolution of 360 by 360 pixel and full touch, of course. The display is accompanied by high definition watch faces to be downloaded from the internet. And then we have the hardware. It is powered by MTK2502 plus a BMA 425 dual chip, an advanced chip with lower power consumption. Sensors included are acceleration sensor, heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, blood oxygen monitor, as well as ECG monitor. That's pretty good for a $60 smartwatch. The watch also has Bluetooth 4.2 compatible with Android 5.1 and iOS 10 and above. You can connect to your phone using the Fundo support app. And best of all, it also supports a Bluetooth calling feature. And now the battery. The DT79 Smartwatch has a 560 mAh battery with a standby time of about 20 days and with the normal usage of about 4 days. That's an enormous standby time. Now let's dig a bit into its features. With its heart rate monitor, it has a 24-hour heart rate monitoring. Its ECG monitoring can access heart rate with PPG and HRV. Other health functions included are sleep monitoring, providing intelligent sleep statistics, sedentary reminder, auto step counter with calorie, and distance counter. It is also packed with multiple sport mode: running, cycling, weightlifting, fast walking, football, etc. And the last best feature is the price. For under $60, it's definitely worth the value. But we're not just trying to sugarcoat the watch. There are also some downsides of the watch, which we'll see right now. As we're not just going to be sugarcoating the DT79 smartwatch, I've also mentioned the downsides of the watch. There are only a few of them, but don't miss them out while buying the watch. So the first downside is the NFC and the GPS are not available in the watch. So if you're the kind of person who wants to pay in style and not use your wallet, this watch is not for you. The second downside is it's a bit bulky for the lady's wrist and sometimes weaker male wrist too. From its bulky sides, it's made for muscular man wrists, or maybe ladies, so I'm definitely out of the picture. The third downside, it's not made for swimming. So if you're planning to go in the sea and swim with the watch, this is not the watch for you. So that wraps up our review. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked the video. You can buy the smartwatches in the discounted links provided below. Please share and subscribe. Until the next video, goodbye.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you. Tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Oh, now I'm on the ground. I know the truth. I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right.